there. Thanks for joining me for Bible journaling. Today, I'm going to be working on my Illustrated Faith, Less Hustle, More Jesus devotional kit, and I'm going to be doing session 2. So our session 2 is says under his wings, and our verse is in Psalms 91:2 today. So our verse says, I will say of the Lord, he is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. I love that. And then I've got all this blank space over there. Isn't this great? So let's go ahead and turn our little card over and let's see what it says today. Slowing down can seem like a totally impossible task. I mean, if your days and weeks are like mine, resting means you have to cut out a soccer game, dinner prep, or social media scrolling. There's no obvious downtime, but taking time to be still and just be in his presence is always worth the sacrifice. Today we're supposed to read today's Psalms, ask the Lord to show you where your quality time with him might fit in your day. So that's wonderful. So it is really hard to let go of some of those things just to have a few minutes of peace and quiet with the Lord. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on fast forward and we'll see what we can do. hope you had fun doing Bible journaling today. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you stop in. If you hit the little bell when you subscribe, you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video or if I'm doing a live class. That's always fun. I would love for you to join me if we're doing a live class. Otherwise, I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.